Now let's say we want to arrange our array items in alphabetical orders. So the elements we have inside the array, we want them to be arranged in alphabetical order. So we just, this is what we're going to write inside our script. Declare the name of the array, then it says dot sort, then you declare your parameter. Okay, so with this, by the time we go to our browser to view it now, so we're going to have it arranged in alphabetical order. That means Camry will be coming first, right? So let's see. So we have Camry, Corolla, Lexus, ML, RAV4. So it has been arranged in alphabetical orders now. So but in case we want it in reverse way, such that the one that is coming last in here, the last element will be coming first, then we use the method reverse. Use the method reverse. Okay, so let's save this and then come back here to refresh. So probably it's going to be started with Corolla. So this way now we have Corolla, Camry, RAV4, ML. So another thing we can also do is we can replace any of these elements with another element. So how do we achieve this? Then you call your array cars, you declare your parameter, and then you're going to put the index you want to change. Let's say we want to change index 1 ml, so that is index 1. We want to replace it with another name of car, so that way we're going to have equal to, then you declare your quotation, and let's say we want to replace it with Acura. So this way now, in place of our ml, which is at the index of 1, we are going to be having Acura there. Acura. Let's view this. Can you see that now? So it has been replaced. So you can sort it, you can reverse the way the items are listed, and you can also replace any of the item lists. Okay, see you in the next class.